What is up, each person? Welcome, return to the Crypto Blitz, your property on your crypto fix. I'm your host, Ripple Van Winkle. With a bit of luck, one's having a top-notch day. It's Friday, remaining day of vacation. I kicked off this morning with a bang packed on up, went out to the casino, not a huge ride appearance. We left in the nice that is continually a very good aspect. Played a brand new sport, bingo, changed into a terrific game, very amusing to play, a lot of bonuses. We played Buffalo. That sort of saved us, to be pretty frank with you. My link was, it just, you realize it just doesn't do it. They're getting those 4 purple balls and trying to get into the bonus and making some money. It wasn't slicing it. Played a little thriller lamp as nicely. All in all, an excellent morning. We were there from about 9 to approximately 1. Deliver or take a little before. So it turned into a laugh. I'm going to get geared up. I'm going to head on out due to the fact, last day of excursion, truly due to the fact then it's the weekend. I don't certainly be counted that as vacation because the weekend's the weekend, back to the grind on Monday. But Guy, it was amusing checking out. There's cryptocurrencies this morning. XRP. What are you doing to us parents? Is it me, or is this little XRP bull run simply feels a little bit special? What do I imply through one of a kind? Bitcoin is type of floating. Dominance isn't always without a doubt losing. Bitcoin's rate simply isn't making that push above 100,000. However, XRP is still appearing. We take a look at different property accessible, and we look what is happening the past 24 hours, even within the remaining 7 days. XRP certainly. It's outperforming and status out if we get a weekly close wherein we are going to see the all-time high from 2020 be damaged. And just like the first week of December that is big, I instructed you, we bring the all-time high from 2020, which about $1.96. We tried to interrupt out. We hit $1.75. We were given rejected. We got here backpedal. Let's desire we seize a 2D win today. Let's break via it. When we ruin through the best ever excessive from 2022 dollars, it's going down. This is a completely bullish scenario for us XRP holders. We get above $2 by means of the give up of the year. I am telling you, we're going to see a double-digit XRP in 2025. It's proper around the nook. Let's ensure we can hold this vicinity. We took our first shot at a greenback 75. I did not anticipate it to appear today. It befell this morning just more than 1 hour ago. We bounce, go into reverse. We are at $1.68. However, you recognize what it really is. Okay. Total cryptocurrency marketplace cap, 3.4 trillion. Don't neglect, we still were given those ETFs approaching. Now let's look a little bit of Casper here. A lot of people wrote Casper off. But need to have proper Casper off. I haven't bought an unmarried Casper. I am nonetheless gathering Casper through staking. I'm not buying, I'm staking, I'm earning a few more. You understand, each unmarried week after I check, the jump is going up, I replace my spirit sheet. I like what I'm seeing right here. We nevertheless got a number of resistance. It's going to be a bumpy street shifting ahead. However, we need to get Casper again into that 3-cent range. That's okay. I think it's the handiest issue. I'm down directly, to be pretty frank with you, at this factor that is going to turn into the inexperience now, in case you're not following Lux Strain's NFT. Comply with me on Twitter. Follow the account. I am telling you, we're posting gemstones. We're posting loopy calls, which are printing humans a ton of cash. If you don't accept us true with me, go observe the replies, because humans are like, they're just grateful. They're thanking me like, thanks, Rip, satisfied. I followed you, Hop. I accompanied the stay calls. But we informed you about the TLM token, another low cap that's going to explode, especially when a new exchange list comes into play sitting at 7 cents. I instructed you while this factor turned into in the 2-cent variety, and looks as if the bottom's in and we got a powerful flow to the upside nearly 150%. It's not completed. This component is going to rip 50 cents, 75 cents a dollar, and it's 7 on the grounds that it's on Bitmark proper. Now you want to do the entirety, which you freaking can, to get it when it's on Bitmark due to the fact while it recedes listed on some other alternate you recognize. What occurs when a crypto hits and change at some stage in a bull run? It without a doubt goes parabolic. Credible crypto like XRP wants the pinnacle 3, wants to be desires to take its pinnacle spot lower back. Talking about the pinnacle 3 coins, it's coming. XRP goes to take that quantity 3 spot. I already informed you the plans for Ethereum. Ethereum is losing out of the Pinnacle 5. The Pinnacle 3 cryptos in 2025 are going to look awesome, tremendous, special. Bitcoin, Solana, and XRP. And Doom became like this. There is something bizarre, approximately this XRP pump. Part 2. Well, permits have a look at component 1 that changed into place out November 16th, mid-November. He says Bitcoin dominance is not tanking. Any other time XRP pumped over 100% was when the Bitcoin dominance was tanking. That's just no longer the case. He said this can be 2 matters. It's a fake out, now not a real pump, which could be insane and unlikely in his opinion. Or that is just the appetizer to absolutely what's coming. AKA cash isn't even flowing out of Bitcoin, but this is all new cash, a cash flowing from other alts. We maintain seeing the total cryptocurrency marketplace cap. We hold seeing it creep on up and growing. That's indicating to us this is all new money that is entering the markets. The beautiful issue approximately that is that the real money the institutional cash has, but to enter we have the ETF that's coming in 2025. While the ETF hits and we get that institutional money, which is going to be a shit ton greater than public and trendy retail money, We're speaking me billions on top of billions. That is while you will see the XRP charge fly. Now, Component, his little update in this, he says another time XRP pumped, and we simply protected that. He goes, he thinks it is the front strolling for the ETF listings is what someone commented, and they're proper. This is establishments slowly starting to get in. This is establishments telling their human beings to slowly begin to load up on XRP, because where it's going to cross. Now, in case you've been an institutional consumer, what do you assume from right here on out? You had been waiting for the rate of XRP to maintain creeping up until the massive news comes out. You are not waiting for any more deep retraces. I do not think XRP is ever going again underneath a greenback again in the course of this bull cycle. I assume it really is it. Could we retest here? You realize that variety that we talked about, which sits simply above a buck, 100%. Do I assume we are going to? I think you will must see a completely catastrophic occasion occur inside the crypto markets for that to occur. But I do not see it. I do now not see it. I think XRP is going to preserve here, and I assume XRP is going to break out of $1.75, and I assume that all-time excessive is going to be targeted from the closing bull cycle. Smoke put this out. Ripple and XRP are already located to dominate the global economic landscape with unstoppable momentum. It truly is going to force the prices better. Here's why. Listen to these 3 points. 5 trillion each day. This is going through SWIFT. SWIFT is processing 5 trillion each day, anchoring the global financial device. Ripple needs to integrate with just one in all SWIFT CBPR plus generation vendors like Finstra, Finlante, ECS, Fin or CGI to free up Club or get admission to the over 11,000 member networks in SWIFT. We've already seen Ripple linked into Finestra. In Volante Parents, and I trust CGI, should dig that up and refresh my reminiscence. Tier 1 banks plus trillions annually. Ripple is partnered with over 100 plus banks. Forget the narratives. Banks are never going to use XRP. Throw that one out the window. We know that banks are the use of XRP. The first ever bank went live. I accept as true with it became approximately a year or 2 years in the past at this point over in Brazil states, which includes some of the world's largest tier 1 economic establishments, which handle tens of trillions of bucks annually, and 80% of the global insurance Ripple's partnerships allow it to cow 80% of the world's critical buying and selling corridors, stemming its dominance and go border bills and the first rate part. About all this, he stated it is all documented. Ripple offers with 100 banks, such as a number of the biggest tier 1s in the world. So we already cowl 80% of the sector's vital trade corridors. Excuse me, folks, as he should be, folks. This is the beginning of a big bull cycle. One of the most important bull runs you have ever visible in your lifestyles. There is going to be trillions beyond trillions of bucks to flow into crypto. You position that collectively with the fact that XRP is one of the only a few assets which have readability inside the United States. You mix that in with ETFs and institutional money entering the marketplace. You mix that in with the reality that Bitcoin has yet to nonetheless have its parabolic blow-off pinnacle, but it is massive run. This is the recipe for achievement. This is the recipe that we have been searching out. I'm excited. We are well overdue this moment. It's been considering the fact that 2017, I can't wait to look what 2025 goes to form up like. But something massive is coming to XRP, folks. Write that down. Ripple got an ace up their sleeve. I'm telling you that right now, but I'm going to go weigh it like that.